Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting an E02 error on it and you're wondering what this error is and how can I get rid of it. So the E02 error is a main control board fault or a relay fault. And the main thing that you can do as a homeowner without going through Bosch support or anything like that is to just do a hard reset on the machine. So what you want to do is turn it off, and then you want to cut power to it for at least 30 seconds. So that means unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. And once you do that, you can power it back up and turn it back on, and that'll clear out this E02 error. And if it does come back, then you might need a technician because you might need to replace the control board or something like that. But you'll need to call Bosch support to help you through that, or call a technician at that point. But anyways, hopefully the hard reset will clear out the error, and hopefully that it will keep it from coming back. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.